Hello folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2017 Grey Wolf 26RR toy hauler, one of our most popular trailers at Campkins. As you can see, this is a great little toy hauler here. We'll take a look at the back first. They have this nice large ramp for putting all of your toys in there. You can see that we have it set up in the dinette format right now, where you've got two benches and then a large dinette table. This bed will also go down into a king-size bed as well. You can remove the table and have two twin beds, and then you can also remove it all completely and then have lots of room there for the toys. You can see some storage. One of the things they've done too is they have widened the back door to be the entire width of the trailer, and you can get a gate patio option that goes on that trailer. I don't have the gate on that one, but if you're wondering what that is and what that looks like, this is the gate patio option on a different one. So let's have a look inside and see what else we can find. You've got the awning, of course, on the outside with the beautiful blue exterior lighting. You've got exterior speakers and tons of great stuff out there. So you've got your stainless steel microwave, your stainless steel stove, glass top for extra counter space. You've got an undermount sink, comes complete with the sink cover, pull-out brush nickel faucet, comes with a skylight in the ceiling. You've got lots and lots of LED lighting, very, very bright. You've got a storage cabinet here for all of your gear, your coats and your helmets and your gloves. Then you've got regular storage here above the window as well. And then you've got a large window here. So this trailer is the best toy hauler if you have multiple toys, because you have this large garage here in the back, but then in front of it you have another large open area here with tie downs all the way up here. So you can put a quad right here in the front and two motorcycles in the back. So you can actually get three large sport vehicles inside this trailer. Then you've got the TV cabinet area as well, and then over here is your fridge. And then you have this nice washroom. The washroom and bedroom are completely separate from the trailer living area. So there's your vanity neo-angle glass shower. Over here you've got your toilet with more cabinet storage behind it, and then a great front bedroom with windows on both sides, storage cabinets all the way around, and of course a walk-around queen-size bed. So if you want a trailer that will work as a trailer just for camping with two bunks in the back, or if you want to get a toy hauler so you can bring your toys, or even people who don't have motorized toys but they want to put bikes and kayaks and all kinds of things, we sell this trailer to all kinds of people, and it's such a popular model. Great weight as well, around 5,500 pounds, so easily towed by a half-ton, and even a large SUV. So this is the 2017 Grey Wolf 26RR, available now at Campkins, which is in Myrtle, Ontario. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.